Yes! Today I am very excited because I just received a message from YouTube. Yes, YouTube, like YouTube, Google, right? So recently I just hit 100,000 subscribers on my Ask Dr. Malik channel. It's been a long way coming, and the YouTube decided to send me this package. As you can see, it's sealed because you are part of this. We are in this together. So I decided to keep this, and so we will be unboxing it together in this video. Let's do this. Hello, my name is Dr. Malik Haruna King, and on this YouTube channel, I share with you practical tips to help you stay healthy and happy and boost your personal performance and workplace productivity. So if this sounds like something you are interested in, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification so you will be the first to get my YouTube videos. So today is a special day. We will be unboxing this package, this 100,000 subscribers Creators Award from YouTube. And I'm so excited. I hope I will be able to coordinate properly. This means a lot to me because there is a special message behind all of this, and I'll be sharing the message with you at the end of this after we unbox this. And I'll be sharing with you how I am able to achieve this with just my smartphone and my laptop, and I'll be passing a very special announcement if you stick with me to the end of this video. So let's get down to business. Yes, I have fears. I'm sincerely hoping they've spelled my name correctly, even though it's a simple name, but this is well sealed. So you see this? Wow. Woof. A special letter here for me. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1000th subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know that you definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of the growing community that you established. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you will do next, and we are here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Suzanne, CEO, YouTube. This letter is for you. You made this happen. And so let's move on. Here we have a little note from the creators, the people that actually made this. Woo! Yes! This looks so beautiful. There's another note here. We can do away with this now. And here it is. Whoop! They spelled my name correctly. I don't know if you can see this. I don't know if you can see this. I don't know if my lighting can pick this. This looks so beautiful. I'm so excited. Woof! Now let's get to business, right? So, and it has some hooks here, so I'm going to look for a place to place it. Let's go there. Let's go here. Woof! I'm so excited, and this is shiny silver. Yes. All right, so let's put this aside. And so let's talk. The interesting aspect of this is that I started this YouTube channel as an experiment. I wanted to challenge myself with a very big project. But first, I started it to reach out to people, to help give people practical tips without all the technical medical jargons, practical tips they can use, understand first, and apply to improve their health, their total health, physical, mental, emotional, social health, and to improve their happiness, to boost their mental health especially. And this is especially because there are a lot of questions. People are asking questions about specific aspects of their health, and then the other room, but we have few persons answering these things. So I took up the challenge, the bold step of becoming the scapegoat to expose myself to all the criticism that will come with talking about some of those things about sex, about intimacy, about health, some of those embarrassing health conditions. And so I took it up as a challenge to myself to give people relevant content that is well researched, yet practical, easy to understand, and easy to apply. So simple tips that will bring massive results in their health, in their happiness. And that is why I made this channel just for you. And sincerely, the goal was to hit 100,000 subscribers and stop. I will not delete the channel. I will not close the channel. I'll just keep the content there, but just stop producing content. But I'm having a second thought. I might decide to continue on this channel. But apart from that, the second very important goal was that as a digital marketer, we always say content is king. Packaging is important, but content, if you provide irresistible, valuable content, people will tend to ignore some of the other things that come with the packaging, with the production value, and so on. And I keep telling my clients, I keep telling my students, but they wouldn't believe. And so I took it up as the second challenge to hit 100,000 subscribers without having any professional gadget, with just my smartphone and my laptop, without having any expensive professional lighting or camera or video editor or microphone, just basic things. That was my second big goal, to hit 100,000 subscribers without having any professional gadgets. Here we are today. I've surpassed 100,000 subscribers with just my smartphone and my laptop. And this is not in any way to brag, but to inspire you. You have a message, you have something to share with the world, go ahead, because your smartphone is wired for great quality audio and visuals. And so go ahead and use this to share your message with the world and be bold. You know, when I started this channel, I had a lot of criticisms, and people are wondering, who is this guy that's always talking about sex? Who is this guy that's always so excited and shouting and screaming with all the dramatic expressions? In fact, when I hit 100 subscribers, I posted it online. A lady actually called me on her phone and said, Malik, just forget about it. This YouTube thing is not your thing. Just give up. You know, I almost gave up, and but here we are today. I persevered, and I actually rewarded myself with a professional camera and this 17 inches Lenovo laptop. And I also made some subscriptions to reward myself for achieving this milestone. Now I can go ahead and do some little professionalism in my videos and my audios and my editing. Since I have achieved my goal, I have proved my point, I have passed my message that you can actually achieve a lot with just your smartphone. And now for the technical aspect of all of these, I will be sharing with you the secrets of achieving this in very short period of time. And because I did this as an experiment, there were a lot of learnings and ups and downs, but I will be sharing with you the secrets that helped me to achieve all of these, so you can do the same and even more without all the hurdles and ups and downs and the vicissitudes. So I will be sharing all of the secrets with you. And by the way, I have a new channel on digital marketing, on video marketing. I'll be placing the link in the description section below or somewhere around this video or on the screen, where I'll be sharing with you how to start, grow, and monetize a profitable YouTube channel, and also how to start and scale a profitable online business using digital marketing, paid advertising, and video marketing. So do well to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also check there for a video where I will be sharing with you all of the secrets for starting, growing, and monetizing a profitable YouTube channel fast. Just starting with what you have, the message you have, and with the gadgets you have. But most importantly, the primary reason for this video is to thank you. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for subscribing my amateur YouTube videos. Some of them are cringy and but then you still went on to like the video and to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I want to thank you. I wouldn't have been able to achieve this without you actually subscribing, right? And I'm having second thoughts. I think I will continue with this channel. I will not stop producing content. In fact, I will be rebranding the Ask Dr. Malik brand. I will be doing regular live streaming where I'll be answering your questions live. And apart from that, I will be picking some hot topics, especially those that are related to Nigeria, Africa, and the third world countries. And so if you are not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't, and join me in my journey to 1 million subscribers. Let's do this together. Share with everybody, share with your family, share with your friends, so they join us in this journey where we will be giving ourselves practical tips to help us to stay healthy, happy, enjoy total health, improve our sex life, achieve ideal body weight, and improve our mental health and our families. And apart from that, to help us with boosting our personal performance and improve our workplace productivity. So if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and stay subscribed, and check the description section below for a free ebook titled Fire Your Doctor, Take Charge of Your Health and Happiness. Thank you very much. Thank you for subscribing. Yes.